Okay, everybody, today we're going to be looking at the TR006 Nano Owls. Look at this fine specimen of a toy quadcopter. Anyway, this is the one that Ryan Duvall put the Amazon code up for, and I saw it, so I clicked on it and went and got it. So, it's here. It made it. Took a few days. Here's, it's very simple here. There's not much in the package. There's a couple spare props, the screwdriver, the charger, the quadcopter. I do not know what size the battery is in here. I'm sure it's around a 200. I can't find it in there anywhere. Here's the transmitter, and it has Wi-Fi. So you would turn it on, and we're going to turn on the app and get the app. The QR code is on the box. There's two of them right back here. One of them for Android and one of them for iPhone. And that's about it. I mean, there's really not a lot to it, to be honest with you. It has the takeoff and land button here. Over here is headless mode, flips, has the rates and the trims. So there is no button on here that I know of that starts the video. You have to fire up the app to do the video, to start the video recording. So let's go over here and do that. Let's turn it on, and here's the on and off switch right here. And it has the self-contained battery, so you have to plug this charger into your computer or whatever, and then plug this into that. So let's turn this on. Turn on the transmitter. Okay, so that's bound up. Let's look for some Wi-Fi. So far, I'm not seeing anything. But it'll come out. It'll come. Here we go. I think it's this Z6688. Let's give that a shot. Then go over to the app, which is called TR006. If you don't want to use the QR code, you just type in Tech space RC. And there it is. There's the app, but I don't see any video feed. So you can also fly this with the okay, there it is. Okay, so when you do it, you have to hit VGA, and that'll do that. I'm going to turn off the controllers. So the Wi-Fi signal is very strong. It's showing full bars right there. There's the camera, as you see that going around. So we're going to go over here and fire it up, fly it around a little bit, and see how long the battery lasts. I will put the flight time in there. I'll just put it in the little corner there. Let's start some video. Okay, it says it's recording. Yay. Let's take off, see what happens. I guess nothing. Okay, there's the calibration down and to the left. That's only the first rate right there that it's in now. I just want to check the recording. It's still recording. There's a flip for you. The flips are real tight on this thing. Okay, that's 3 rates. There's the yaw speed. Looks pretty cool. And I crashed, and I think a prop went flying. I couldn't react fast enough to that thing. So that was my fault. I don't know where the... Oh, here's the prop here. That was my stupidity, guys. It's not that. Let's not blame the quadcopter. Let's just blame me. It doesn't have prop guards or anything on it, so it kind of snuck up on me there a little bit. So that's on me. No biggie. We'll take it back off. Recalibrate, of course. The video's still running. The video said we're not quitting. Okay. The controls, I'm going to tell you why I crashed, okay? The controls are laggy, okay? There's lag in these controls, man. I'm telling you right now. Now, I don't know if that has something to do with the Wi-Fi, but they're very sloppy. The control is it's mushy. It's like pushing your hand through mashed potatoes. It's not precise at all. Even in the third rate. Yes, it's very mushy, I'm telling you. If you tried to fly this around in the house pretty fast, you'd probably crash a lot. Believe me, a lot. Definitely, you don't want the first rate, which is what I just put it in, but it turns way too slowly. So you at least want to use the second rate for in the house, because it just doesn't respond fast enough in the first rate. It's just way too slow at turning. Other than that, it's not bad. It's a little mushy, the controls, a little laggy. Nothing you can't deal with though. There's better out there than this, I can tell you that right now. I would say the little infrared thing, that little eSheen one, that is a much better little Nano. And the H20H, which is like my favorite, that hexacopter, that's way better than this. But, I mean, at least it's flying. But this has a camera too, so we'll see what the video looks like. I'll put the video in. The battery seems to be lasting for a while. So the battery life might be good, even though it does have video recording and Wi-Fi going, and the video is up to 5 minutes. Now that, okay, there it goes right there. The light's coming on. So, plus you take a few seconds off for that crash that I had. So yeah, it flew pretty good. It's just a little, the controls are a little mushy, that's all. Nothing too major. Let me go to the gallery and make sure the video worked. Okay, it did. Alright guys, so there you go. It flew pretty decently, but the controls are a little bit on the mushy side. I really, I would recommend just getting something else. I really wouldn't recommend this thing for right now. I mean, there's just better out there, you know. It's not that it's real bad. It's just that there's better. You know what I mean? Alright guys, have a nice day.